हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जूलॉजी से रिलेटेड टॉपिक कंपैरेटिव एनाटॉमी ऑफ स्कल को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के इस टॉपिक में हम फिशेस, एम्फीबिया, रेप्टाइल्स, एप्स एंड मेमल्स के जो कंपैरेटिव अकाउंट है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए देखते हैं कंपैरेटिव एनाटॉमी ऑफ स्कल इन फिशेस। स्कल ऑफ फिश। Skull is formed with cartilage tissue. It consists of cranium, sans, capsules and visceral arches. It is the axial portion of the fish. It is more or less ovalian box open in front and behind with an arched and roof and flattened floor. It is divided into occipital, auditory, orbital and ethmoidal region. Foramen magnum is posteriorly present. Beneath the foramen magnum, deep concavity is present on either side of this concavity is prominence occipital crest informed dicaudalic. Auditory capsule lie on the posterolateral lateral side of the cranium, which enclose and protect the ears. Postorbital groove is present on the ventral side. Scoliodon has 7 visceral arches which are cartilaginous. The first arch forms the jaws it called mandibular arch. The second of the hyoid arch. The remaining live arches are called branchial arches. The mandibular arch consists of 2 halves. Each half of this arch pulges on upper polyploids, quadrate cartilage and lower mycal cartilage. यहाँ देखिए आपको स्कल ऑफ फिशेस के डायग्राम दिख रहे हैं। ये देखिए स्कॉलिडन एंड स्कॉलिडन का डॉर्सल एंड वेंट्रल व्यू का डायग्राम है स्कल ऑफ फ्रॉग जो एम्फीबिया से रिलेटेड है। स्कल इज फॉर्म्ड मोस्टली विद bony faces and bony tissues, but tadpole skull is cartilaginous. It consists of cranium, sans, capsules, jaws and hyoid apparatus. It forms the middle hollow part of the skull. It is divided into auditory, olfactory and occipital regions. Foramen magnum is posteriorly present. Beneath the foramen magnum, there are 2 occipital condyles on either side of the foramen magnum. Dorsoventrally, laterally exportal bones are present. Dorsally, the cranium is formed by frontoparietals, ventrally by parasfoid and laterally by sphen-ethmoid bones. On either side of the cranium is large gaphevile with which lodges the eye. The olfactory capsules are separated from each other by mythmoid. Each capsule is formed by a large mandibular nasal on the dorsal side and a smaller parietal vomer on the ventral side. Vomer pulges vomit teeth. Auditory capsules enclose the internal ear. Its roof is formed are pre-bone frontal staphyline plate and cranial oris are present. जो branchial arches are absent. Autostylic jaws suspensions. ये देखिए आपको स्कल ऑफ फ्रॉग का डायग्राम दिख रहा है। ये डॉर्सल व्यू है। नेक्स्ट देखेंगे स्कल ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स। स्कल इज फॉर्म्ड मोस्टली एंड बोनी विद बोनी टिश्यूज. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ क्रेनियम, सेंस, कैप्सूल्स, जोज एंड हायोड apparatus. It forms the median hollow part of the skull. It is divided into occipital, auditory and optic regions. Foramen magnum is posteriorly present beneath the foramen magnum. A single occipital condyle is present. Supraoccipital, exo-occipital, and basal occipital bones are also present in the occipital regions. Monocondylic skull. Each auditory capsule is formed by small single vertical protile bone which is lying outside the supraoccipital. Epithelic and epithelic are not different. Each auditory capsule is formed by three bones: nasal, sapelo-maxillary, and vomer. Branchial arches are absent. These are upper and lower jaws. Each half of the upper jaw consists of an outer set of bones: premaxilla, maxilla, jugal, and quadrate, and the inner set includes pterygoid, platine or transparent, epipterygoid, and squamide. Each half of the lower jaws consists of six bone: auditory, angular, supraangular, olfactory, splendal, and coronide. Both the jaws possess teeth. ऑटोस्टाइलिक जोन सस्पेंशंस, इसमें जो है ऑटोस्टाइलिक जो सस्पेंशन होगा। ये देखिए आपको दिख रहा है, ये जो डायग्राम है वो स्कल ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स का डायग्राम। ये देखिए डॉर्सल एंड वेंट्रल व्यू आपको दोनों दिखाई दे रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट स्टडी करेंगे हम स्कल ऑफ एप्स। स्कल इज फॉर्म्ड मोस्टली विद बोनी टिश्यूज. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ cranium sans capsules, jaws, and hyoid apparatus. It forms the posteriorly median hollow part of the skull. It is divided into occipital, auditory, optical, and olfactory regions. Foramen magnum is posteriorly present. Beneath the foramen magnum is single occipital condyle is present. Supraoccipital, exo-occipital, and basi-occipital bones are also present. Monocondylic skull. इसका जो स्कल होगा वो मोनोकॉन्डाइलिक होगा. Each auditory capsule is formed longally by the protended presenta or colliculate steps are also present, and the dorsal part of the cranium is formed by the patelloid craniostum. The two orbits are very large cavity present in front of the cranium. Each orbit is bounded or dorsally by frontal antral, anterodorsally by lateral, and posteriorly by the zygomatic process. Orbit is incomplete on the ventral side. The two orbits are separated by interorbital septum. Each olfactory capsule is formed by two bones and vomer bone. Nasal fuse with frontal and form into super and interior process. Branchial arches are absent. ये कमेंट थे यहाँ तक स्कल ऑफ एप्स के. अब देखिए ये जो आपको डायग्राम दिख रहे हैं वो डोर्सल, वेंट्रल और लेटरल व्यू के हैं. स्कल ऑफ मैमल्स. स्कल इज फॉर्म्ड विद mostly bony tissues. It consists of cranium sans capsules, jaws, and hyoid apparatus. It forms the middle hollow part of the skull. It is divided into occipital, auditory, optic, orbital, and olfactory regions. Foramen magnum is posteriorly present. Beneath the foramen magnum, two occipital condyles with para-occipital process are present. Supraoccipital are occipital and basi-occipital bones are also present. Dicondylic skull. अभी देखिए आपने जितने भी स्कल देखे सब मोनोकॉन्डाइलिक थे, लेकिन मैमल्स का जो स्कल होगा वो ओनली डाइकॉन्डाइलिक होगा. ईच ऑडिटरी कैप्सूल इन द adult animal consist only parasitic flask like phalangic bone is significant. The cranium is formed dorsally by the parietal frontal and interparietal and ventrally, by basified prefrenite bones along with elytra and orbit sphenide. The cranial cavity is enclosed in front by a narrow vertical bones plate. These are two orbits are large sockets present on the side of the frontal of cranium. Branchial arches are absent. These are upper and lower jaws. Each half of the upper jaw is formed by premaxilla, maxilla, jugal, pterygoid and sequamosal. ये जो थे आपने देखे हैं वो है स्कल ऑफ मेमल्स के कमेंट्स। ये देखिए आपको दिख रहा होगा डॉर्सल व्यू है, ये वेंट्रल व्यू और लेटरल व्यू है जो मैमल्स के हैं, जो हमने एग्जाम्पल इसका है रैबिट। लास्ट में आपको मैं ये बता दूं कि फिशेस में हमने स्कॉलिडॉन, एम्फीबिया में फ्रॉग, रेप्टाइल्स में स्नेक, एप्स में फाउल एंड स्कल में मैमल्स के रैबिट का हमने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है। तो आप सबके एक एक एग्जाम्पल के बेस पे आप ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के हमारा ये टॉपिक यहीं ख़त्म होता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वॉचिंग माय दिस चैनल।